Hello everyone, I just installed a new domain and I'm going to install a BRX builder and SNN-BRX and change some settings, make some changes. So just usual stuff. I just wanted to show you guys like how do I do it. Like it is a couple of minute video. By the way, if you guys need any hostinger, use my affiliate hostinger. That's it. Sinachler.com affiliate hostinger if you guys need it. So looks like they are installing lots of shit as always. It started with one plugin, and after that they added another plugin and another plugin. Like it become like 3 plugin now. But I like it. I like they install in cache like as a default. It is nice thing. Like it makes the website really fast actually. Okay, first thing first, I delete everything. I mean, if it was like normal WordPress, it was going to install like Akismet and Hello Dolly. Anyway, I usually delete the plugin. And after that, I usually delete the default post and pages. And after that, I install the BRX builder. Let's install that. Meanwhile, it is uploading. Let's download the SNN-BRX. Now we have landing page. It looks so sexy. Nice. By the way, apply to the newsletter. So let's download the latest. Tons of shit add again. I need to stop adding new features. Okay, let's upload the plugin and then we will enable the license. By the way, I directly enabled the child theme. If you guys like, did you guys catch it? Like I just enabled the child theme, not the BRX, because it is literally the same thing. And let's delete the block editor shit until it becomes really well. And I want to make like block editor tutorials. Like I really want to do, but it is so bad. I rage it all the time. But I want to make it tutorials for block editor as well. Yeah, I want to talk about some basics. Like everybody needs to learn some basics. Let's enable the license. Do you guys need it? Should I click it? No, it's not a password. And after that, I just come here, other settings, disable the comments. There's no disable comments. Move the BRX down. Disable the dashboard. Say hello to my little friend. And let's add GIF. Say hello to my little friend. Why not? Why not? Okay, why not? Because I am not going to log into this website too much. It's gonna serve for let's write a GIF. I need a GIF. Say hello to my little friend. I missed this movie. Like I watched it so long ago. I want to watch it again. Oh, it's gonna no. It is a fake GIF. It is a HTML. It wasn't real. We need to right click it. Okay, GIF. Nice. Copy, of course, we can add some stuff. Image, search. See, simple HTML knowledge. How useful is it? Okay, let's give it style, width, 100%. Easy. Should I add editor here? I don't know. Maybe. Good. Nice. I will forget it, and when I log in this page like a couple months later, I'm gonna laugh about it. Literally it. Okay, so and after that, I usually set up my BRX builder, some settings. Let's of course enable SVG upload. Let's enable the if I ever add form to this side. I doubt it. Let's enable this. Yeah, why not? And I usually enable. Sometimes I enable this one like auto collapse, but sometimes I open it. It depends if I'm going to work on the project a lot or not. Easy and refresh, and of course there is nothing. Let's get something from my website. Let's add a background, clean, SNN, something. Give me something nice. Let's make it lighter one, like a mosaic. Yeah, this one is better. Okay. Let's get this one. Yeah. Down. Boom. Okay. And no need to click select, just drag and drop. And then of course we can make a homepage now. Now this is 404. Actually no 404, like there is nothing as an index. That's the reality. There is no 404, sorry. And we just need to put something on the homepage. By the way, there is a multiple ways to make a homepage. Should I teach it? How many minutes? 5 minutes. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, let's make homepage, but without using page. What? Okay, let's do it. Template, homepage, and we are going to make this as a single. Publish, and let's make 100% viewport height. Yeah, low, yeah. And then we will just select the boom, boom. That's it, nothing. So of course it's not going to show as a home page, right? This is just a template, but there is a way around, because if you know template hierarchy, like me, everything is possible. Conditions, add a condition, front page, easy. And now without a page, I made a home page. Literally, there is no page. See? Clean. Look at that. Is it that clean? I don't do this for the clients because sometimes, like rarely, client needs to edit something, or even client doesn't edit, our agency interns need to edit. And if I put on the template, on the homepage, like they can't find it. So, and I usually do it on the page just because so clients or the interns can find it easily. But that's possible as well. Like it is cleaner setup. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. I just wanted to show the install BRX Builder and this bonus knowledge. Bye.